Hello, welcome to Nuer Tube. My name is Chem Kosnyak, and in today's video we are going to talk about verbs. This is English for beginners. I will share with you 50 most common verbs in English. I already prepared these 50 verbs with their meanings in Tognas. Chere alakan wo bande tie bane ke ngai kel ka tong nuari. Kedi tie shwal ke verbs. Verbs wa katin kon lat ka ngwani ke. Shall ke verbs of action, key words of action. Again, kon buko writing. Kejen topic me, right key verb ni titi. Titi michika ngach, and talk English, but you tiakaji. But you communicate a guakana. Go again wo banana me banajan ye kill. Go no jin bijin wakanas and coquin, a go no jin, be subscribe, convert you. This list gives the 50 most frequent verbs in English in alphabetical order. Understanding how to use this verb is high priority for any English learners. Ena ramen nogo no be English bajangach la verb ti la ka kona ngeje. Ki riede ti ka rieten lat ka ngwani ka. Ena ried mlat ka dor ka je lo bunaw nyam ka je lo ti lat ka je shwale verbs. Verb read down ti lat kaje bana chane ken bana ko gui gwas dan lat kon gatin. Mastering verb is a cornerstone of a strong English vocabulary because it allows you to describe action instead of being. Ngai duka ken ti shalka verb tini. Bikini jaka bum ki biken ngai duka vocabulary ki read bom tin kon de roi ka tok English bikini jako ngajika. Bita dan lariet ka bijangach. Verbs are powerful vocabulary. Ken ke read bom kan verb. Ngai kon read bom ka tong na termetel kon mishal vocabulary do no de kon lar no readin bom ne ken. Ke read te ka lot medit kan shal vocabulary. Because they can be conjugated to discuss the past or the future. Ko ken ka read ti la ken mishi dot jok ken mungon niam la ken alat. Hypothetically, situation or possibilities like Chang milat ke ki michal wangbo la ken alat reality even with just 50 common verbs in your toolbox as well as some other type of words you can communicate many things in English. Nika ka reality di choko jandang di ti gwasme de to kawai ne de right ke je. Telme de dal ka manan de lat. Bana shutin tandi ne kon de chalongo kwa ka translate ke loje ka tong nuari. Don't say Jan Lodian do no man bungaja long go no can these verbs in English we go no bika cap. Verb niam ask. Ask teach. Me teach door. B teni. Tem bungai guada me. Verb of action. Take a mutual ke continue verbs. Chitke asking, being, becoming, beginning, calling, you know. The term verb no guada me chaka moike ing form. Dung do men go along on the bungai can verb ata dan let ken gaja ki lodin ka tong nuari mutieji ask teach be ten become ta bite dwor ke ta bite giji mishawe you become this thing ki biten and ki bijira muten and jale ta bite ji bi ngaje no become a dwor medir go de ngaj begin toke mutoko dwor call shale can de goro le dwor come ber could they do let feel jegan jegija la feeling do ta dan jigro re loi do shall feel do a let feel imagine ko la jegan jig do ne find a gore get jeka give tomnia go where of ta la miti ka door don't I have a house ta ka dwell I have a pencil ta ke pencil you know name use ke je kamen ke plural pronouns ke plural ngai kone plural mo right kero dioko woniam raje ke tinchal ke plural pronouns it ke I you we they we me singular pronoun right ke michala has a mitekaran dien has has namo a singular pronoun singular pronoun right ken kamishale he, she, it kanang diok no bi ngaje no ne me te ka dak ear me a liang ki linga hep lwaka wo kon ko we keep ateji no nganye leave withdraw let jagni like dio ngeji je noka leave chieng ala shi leave it ni algo mtige ali a ve na me live in chieng ala millet chetik chieng I live in Gambela, I live in South Sudan. Ta chieng agwa me ta ne ki chieng ne den lo live mo. Look mi jo ran gwicha make lanie may take ro may I go dewa okay lord ni day okay don't you may God bless you akut podi entama chid me sha e gwada me bi ngaje no me chira ke de ano shi me yandan la pai di ko me sha le pai di na me le de dor de na me le na mean lode ne me lod worka me lod dora ke lode tango de randi confused ne me lode mean misha mu keti be lod be jage do no to lod kon mean la lode might me might chere ke dong so gwadam de kon la shit ke dong melaro dong I might go dong chere ke de sometime they just put a day I might go la chere ke like mungon ya dong go no de lat shwale might they moved jenny mi jogran jenny need gor loy du jemen gor loy du jene me need ano ke action ga ti elamen gor de lat play kim go loy de la play ngari put less near run ngoche say lare see nene sim lede she de door ki de door tenene lede she de door tenene like min door min kujima na lede cherke sim didn't seem it's gonna rain lede she ba dam cher ejen chala simo to kon ke should gwa samene should they show nyose start talk take nange talk raisni tell lare thing cherry thing micharado tried one turn redraw like that redraw use lenija ke ko use ne lenija one go reja one mu go reja ke mu go reja will ba raja ke ba will I will go and ba mun won yam lo won yama share a future region work lenie would they kan tigen dial mishi gor no budor bi ngaitin take it la gori ko ken verb ti tenen konti ken chala verb of action di ro nge ke jelong ko bita ndan te ke bi ko ngach en to english sha ngaj bang ngaje ka practice it need more practice it need more work mishi la long tele way mder to kawai ni de jangai ke je so name it is just a tips to learn all these 50 common verbs in English which are very very important okay taken galwang mudit ka do brandi to kawainde ngai ke they good like don't tell kalot most of these things they are things that you're going to use on your daily communication murai karan cheng joran kam de jober go chi ko right thing da dia latine jet ke call me can I call you can I come could all these things and the actual verbs of action key top verbs and I take a bum to cocaine can kono lat guada me to don't there and kan I chet kamish kono playing jumping we took on ke fishing me jump a few okay sorry let me change this okay fishing took on cocaine like running to take a continuous words so to take de karan look mugure ke nishyang alo ngijirodu keke telmede kan shi kan ngake titi kategorano dara kan ngach ke der rodien dara kan ngach ala gore chu ja perwech amar dien gore banyo de gwaseme take 12 verbs to daily use and 12 verbs to talk in English. You don't need perfect grammar, by the way, when you want to communicate in English when you are learning. Okay, uh, as long as you keep on learning, it doesn't matter whether you break them or not. Okay, but 12 verb to take a doctor go and what do you remember? Temichalke, simple present 10, simple past 10, simple future tense. Simple present amora can tama. Okay, don't you call Monday. Okay, uh, like today on Monday, ala rajin tama. Okay, I work something like that. Michi kono ladan chala simple past michi o shit kapan yesterday. Maybe benerun ke wonyam bi michi ala will be used into ala ke simple future. To can ti gor jeno bika kula ngaj but time bana wo slowly and slowly so that we can learn more about English grammar. Neglisan ba like a grammar ke jan gwas ma jan gwa dan gor de ngokten gor no jin bi verbs ti bika ngaj just 50 top verbs which are very important. Gora bika ngaj ko ken ko na bi use ni chang use ka dul gor ka use ka netiti e ma so bika use jungran ber jungran wer ka tongna te to gan dial chala ka verbs of action create and content lat kalat ani bi atemal ban je umra dien chuje pero subscribe bye bye.